Exploring the unique marsupials of Australia, a journey through the land of kangaroos, koalas and beyond. Australia is renowned for its unique wildlife, particularly its marsupials. These fascinating creatures, which include kangaroos, koalas and wombats, to name a few, are a significant part of the country's rich biodiversity. Marsupials are a distinct group of mammals that give birth to undeveloped offspring, which continue to grow in their mother's pouch. This feature, along with their distinctive behaviours and adaptations, sets them apart in the animal kingdom. Understanding marsupials is a venture into the world of unique biological mechanisms. The term marsupial comes from the Latin marsupium, meaning pouch. This pouch, present in most but not all marsupials, is a defining characteristic. The young, often referred to as joeys, continue their development in this pouch after a very short gestation period. This fascinating reproductive process is just one aspect that makes marsupials a subject of great interest. The marsupial family is diverse and comprises over 330 species, over 200 of which are found in Australia. This diverse group exhibits a wide range of sizes, lifestyles and habitats. Marsupials are found in a variety of environments, from rainforests and deserts to urban areas, showcasing their adaptable nature. Despite their diversity, all marsupials share certain common traits, such as giving birth to relatively undeveloped young and nurturing them in a pouch. Kangaroos are perhaps the most iconic of Australia's marsupials. They are known for their powerful hind legs, large feet and distinctive hopping motion. Kangaroos are herbivores and can adapt to different environments from forests to grasslands. They are social animals, living in groups known as mobs, troops or courts. Kangaroos are not only a symbol of Australia, but also play a crucial role in the ecosystem by helping to maintain the grasslands. The life and behaviour of kangaroos are intriguing to study. They have a complex social structure with the dominant male, often the largest and strongest, leading the group. Kangaroos communicate through a series of clicks, purrs and hisses and use their tails for balance while hopping at high speeds. Interestingly, when faced with threats, kangaroos often retreat to bodies of water, as they are excellent swimmers. Female kangaroos exhibit remarkable reproductive adaptations, such as embryonic diapause, where the development of an embryo can be paused during adverse conditions. Nestled amidst the eucalyptus trees, the koalas are often seen leisurely munching on their leaves. These fuzzy marsupials are native to Australia and are known for their diet, which primarily consists of eucalyptus leaves. Their slow metabolism enables them to conserve energy, allowing them to thrive in the nutrient-poor eucalyptus forests. However, their diet specificity also makes them vulnerable to habitat loss due to deforestation and climate change. The life of koalas is shrouded in mystery due to their arboreal lifestyle. They spend most of their time sleeping or eating in the trees. Koalas have a unique digestive system with a specialised gut that can detoxify the poisonous chemicals in the eucalyptus leaves. This unique adaptation allows them to survive in a niche where few animals can. Wallabies, often overshadowed by their larger cousin the kangaroo, are another integral part of Australia's marsupial family. Coming in various sizes and species, wallabies are generally smaller than kangaroos and have a brighter coat. Their adaptability allows them to inhabit a wide range of habitats, from grasslands to dense forests. Despite their size, wallabies can hop as fast as kangaroos, making them agile and elusive. The differences between wallabies and kangaroos are subtle yet significant. While both belong to the same family and share similar characteristics, their size, behaviour and habitat differ. Wallabies are generally smaller, have brighter and more varied coat colours and prefer denser vegetation. Kangaroos, on the other hand, are larger, have a more uniform coat colour and thrive in open grasslands. The Tasmanian Devil, named for its ferocious nature, is a unique marsupial carnivore found only in Tasmania. These creatures are known for their strong jaws and sharp teeth, allowing them to consume their prey entirely, bones and all. Despite their fierce reputation, Tasmanian devils play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance by controlling the population of other animals and scavenging carrion. Their survival, however, is threatened by a severe facial tumour disease, leading to a drastic decline in their population. Tasmanian devils, known for their fierce disposition and carnivorous diet, play an essential role in Australia's ecosystem. These nocturnal marsupials are the world's largest carnivorous marsupials and are renowned for their powerful jaws and sharp teeth, which they use to devour their prey and scavenge carcasses. Their distinct black fur and loud, disturbing screech have earned them their devilish name. These unique creatures, however, are currently facing a significant struggle for survival. A contagious form of cancer known as devil facial tumour disease, DFTD, has drastically reduced their population over the past 2 decades. Despite these challenges, Tasmanian devils have shown incredible resilience and adaptation, demonstrating the intriguing survival tactics of marsupials. Platypuses, on the other hand, are arguably among the most enigmatic of all marsupials. These semi-aquatic creatures, with their duckbill and beaver-like tail, have fascinated scientists for centuries. Platypuses are one of the few venomous mammals, with males possessing a spur on their hind foot capable of delivering a painful venom. Exploring the aquatic lifestyle of platypuses, we encounter an animal perfectly adapted to its environment. They spend much of their time in the water, hunting for food using a unique form of electroreception to detect their prey. The platypus is a testament to the diversity and adaptability of marsupial species. Wombats, the burrowing marsupials, are another unique species native to Australia. Known for their stocky build and short legs, wombats are expert diggers, creating extensive burrow systems for shelter and protection. Their backwards-facing pouch, a distinguishing feature, helps keep their burrows clean while they dig. The fascinating life of a wombat, from its nocturnal habits to its cubicle droppings, further illustrates the diversity of Australia's marsupial family. Emus, often referred to as the feathered giants, are not marsupials, but they are an essential part of Australia's ecosystem. These large, flightless birds are the second largest living bird by height and are found only in Australia. From dry plains to snowy mountains, emus have adapted to a variety of environments, displaying the hardiness that is a hallmark of Australia's wildlife. Despite their size, emus are known for their swift running abilities, capable of reaching speeds up to 50 km/h. Australia's wildlife is not all about the marsupials. The role of emus in Australia's ecosystem is also significant. Emus are omnivores, and their diet includes a variety of plants, seeds, insects, and small animals. This diverse diet helps in the dispersion of plant seeds, contributing to the growth and spread of local flora. Emus also play a crucial role in the food chain, serving as prey for larger predators and controlling populations of smaller species they consume. Dingoes, Australia's wild dogs, are another fascinating part of the country's fauna. These canines are the largest terrestrial predator in Australia, and they play a vital role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems by controlling the populations of their prey species. Dingoes are highly adaptable and can survive in various environments, from the harsh outback to Australia's coastal regions. Their cunning and resourcefulness have earned them a prominent place in Aboriginal mythology and folklore. However, the status of dingoes in Australia is a subject of controversy. While they play an important ecological role, they are also seen as a threat to livestock, leading to conflicts with farmers and ranchers. Some consider them a pest, while others argue for their protection as a native species. This contentious issue underscores the delicate balance between human activity and wildlife conservation in Australia. Last but not least, let's not forget the vibrant feathered creatures, the cockatoos. Known for their striking colours, crest of feathers, and their ability to mimic human speech, these birds are among Australia's most well-known and loved animals. They are social creatures, often seen in large flocks, their raucous calls echoing through the Australian bush. However, despite their popularity, many species of cockatoos are threatened by habitat loss, illegal pet trade, and other human activities, emphasising the need for continued conservation efforts. Understanding the behaviour of cockatoos is a fascinating endeavour. These vibrant creatures are known for their intelligence and complex social structures. They communicate using a variety of vocalisations, body language, and even facial expressions. Cockatoos are also known for their ability to mimic human speech and sounds, a trait that has made them popular as pets. The world's happiest marsupials, the quokkas, live on small islands off the coast of Western Australia. These small marsupials are known for their friendly demeanour and endearing smiles. They are mostly nocturnal and spend their days resting in the shade of trees and shrubs. Quokkas are herbivores, feeding mainly on leaves and grasses. Exploring the habitat of quokkas gives an insight into how these creatures have adapted to their environment. Quokkas are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, shrublands, and even suburban gardens. They prefer areas with plenty of vegetation for cover and an abundant supply of food. Despite their adaptability, quokkas face threats from habitat loss and predation. Australia's marsupial diversity is a source of national pride. The country is home to more than 200 species of marsupials, each uniquely adapted to its environment. This diversity is a testament to Australia's rich and varied ecosystems, from the arid outback to the lush rainforests. Marsupials play a crucial role in these ecosystems, helping to maintain balance and biodiversity. The role of marsupials in Australia's biodiversity extends beyond their ecological importance. They are also of great cultural significance. Marsupials are featured prominently in Indigenous Australian art, stories, and spiritual beliefs. They also play a significant role in the country's tourism industry, attracting visitors from around the world who come to see these unique animals in their natural habitat. Australia's unique marsupials face a variety of threats, from habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanisation to the introduction of non-native predators such as foxes and cats. Additionally, climate change poses a significant threat, altering the ecosystems these marsupials depend on and leading to more extreme weather events that can devastate populations. In response to these growing threats, numerous conservation efforts have been put in place to protect Australia's marsupials. These include initiatives to rehabilitate and release injured wildlife, breeding programs for endangered species, and the establishment of protected areas to preserve crucial habitats. Public education campaigns also play a vital role in raising awareness about the importance of conserving these unique creatures. Climate change presents a particularly complex challenge for the survival of Australia's marsupials. Rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and increased frequency of bushfires and droughts are all potential implications of a warming planet. The impact of these changes on marsupials can be profound, affecting food availability, habitat suitability, and breeding patterns. Australia's marsupials also play a significant role in the country's tourism industry. Tourists from around the world flock to Australia to experience its unique wildlife, contributing significantly to the economy. Kangaroo and koala encounters are a highlight for many visitors, while wildlife parks offer opportunities to see a range of marsupials in their natural habitat. National parks across Australia offer incredible opportunities for marsupial encounters. Whether it's watching a kangaroo hop across a bushland, spotting a koala nestled in a eucalyptus tree, or catching a glimpse of the elusive Tasmanian devil, these experiences connect people with nature and highlight the importance of conservation. They also provide a source of revenue that can be reinvested into conservation efforts. Zoos and wildlife parks play a pivotal role in conserving Australia's marsupials. These institutions house several species and subspecies, providing them with safe environments that mimic their natural habitats. They also conduct breeding programs to increase their population, especially for those that are critically endangered. Through educational presentations and exhibits, zoos and parks raise awareness about the importance of these unique creatures and the threats they face in the wild. Marsupials hold a significant place in Australian culture and folklore. They are often depicted in Aboriginal art and stories, symbolising various aspects of life and nature. For instance, the kangaroo, being a prolific breeder, is seen as a symbol of fertility and abundance. These cultural representations further highlight the intrinsic value of marsupials to Australia's heritage and identity. Understanding the diet of marsupials gives us insights into their behaviour and habitat preferences. Most marsupials are herbivores, feeding on a range of plants, fruits and insects. The koala, for example, has a specialised diet consisting mainly of eucalyptus leaves. On the other hand, the Tasmanian devil is a carnivore, feeding on carrion and small animals. This dietary diversity is a reflection of the varied ecosystems across Australia that these creatures inhabit. The reproduction and life cycle of marsupials also present intriguing aspects. Unlike placental mammals, marsupials give birth to relatively undeveloped young that continue their growth in a pouch. This unique strategy allows marsupials to reproduce quickly and adapt to changing environmental conditions. The life cycle stages, from a tiny, almost embryonic joey in the pouch to an independent adult, are a fascinating aspect of marsupial biology. Marsupials are evolutionary marvels that have adapted to Australia's diverse environments over millions of years. Their distinctive reproductive strategy, varied diets and unique behaviours are all testament to the power of evolution. By studying marsupials, scientists can gain valuable insights into evolutionary biology and ecological adaptation. This knowledge can aid in the development of effective conservation strategies to ensure the survival of these unique creatures. The scientific community greatly values the study of marsupials as these unique creatures offer insights into evolutionary biology. Their unusual reproductive system, involving the birth of underdeveloped offspring that continue to grow in a pouch, presents a fascinating alternative to placental mammalian reproduction. Furthermore, the diversity of marsupials in Australia offers a wealth of opportunities for genetic studies and understanding adaptations to diverse environments. There are many intriguing facts about Australia's unique marsupials that captivate scientists and animal enthusiasts alike. For instance, the Tasmanian devil possesses the most potent bite relative to body size of any living mammalian carnivore. Also, the platypus, a monotreme, lays eggs rather than giving birth to live young, a characteristic more common in reptiles than mammals. While Australia is famous for its kangaroos and koalas, there are many lesser-known marsupials that add to the biodiversity of the continent. The numbat, a termite-eating marsupial, and the quokka, often referred to as the happiest animal in the world, are just two examples of these lesser-known but equally fascinating creatures. The future survival of Australia's unique marsupials is not guaranteed. They face numerous threats including habitat loss, climate change, and invasive species. However, conservation efforts are ongoing to protect these remarkable creatures. Through habitat restoration, breeding programs and strict regulations on hunting and land use, there is hope for these iconic Australian species. In conclusion, Australia's unique marsupials are an intrinsic part of the country's identity and biodiversity. These creatures, from the bounding kangaroo to the cuddly koala, the toothy Tasmanian devil to the egg-laying platypus, embody the country's wild and diverse nature. They are a testament to the wonders of evolution and are an essential component of Australia's rich natural heritage.